Hi, my name is Rob Lyon. I'm the founder and CEO of Playfair Marketing, and I chair the AppCog Communications Group. So my role within the AppCog community is to sort of organise the key awareness dates, the main one being Carbon Monoxide Awareness Week. And then with my role as the CEO of Playfair Marketing, we then take the ideas and the concepts and create a campaign that the whole industry can share so that we can make sure people have greater awareness of carbon monoxide, but equally how to make themselves safe. I've been campaigning for carbon monoxide awareness for what must be coming up to 20 years. And although there have been some great strides in terms of changes of legislation and ownership of carbon monoxide alarms has improved, there is still a whole lot more that we need to do. And this opportunity we have with Carbon Monoxide Awareness Week is where the whole industry can get together, spread awareness, make people more aware of how to protect them and their families. So I'm also a patron of the Katie Haynes Memorial Trust, an incredible charity that do amazing campaigns themselves to raise awareness of carbon monoxide. Because Gordon and Avril tragically lost their daughter Katie to carbon monoxide poisoning, and they don't want anyone else to go through the same things they have. And this year they are very much front and centre of the campaign because they've been working so hard for so long. I want this to be a recognition of the work that they do. This is one last push for them to get carbon monoxide awareness really at the forefront of people's minds, and to make sure people do service their appliances by registered engineers. They do sweep their chimneys, and they do critically get that carbon monoxide alarm that would have potentially saved Katie's life. I feel it's now time for the industry to take over from these awareness groups, these people that have had tragedies, and it's up to us to make a difference now and to spread the word, and not rely on people who've had such tragedies to do the work to raise awareness of carbon monoxide. So this campaign isn't heavily funded. We have some fantastic sponsors, so a huge thank you to Fire Angel, ACO and Fireplaces with their Firehawk brand for enabling us to create the campaign. But its success is all driven down to the way people share and engage with it. So please, if you've seen something that you resonate with, if you see a message that you think would be good for someone else to see, please share and like all the content you can and spread the message so that more people are protected from carbon monoxide.